Here we go. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my God. All right. Made it to the second spot. Came back to Pocantico Lake. Hopefully we'll be able to catch some good stuff here. I've got the little couple of small sunfish and little baby bass actually that I kept from the last video that you guys saw. And I'm going to use them as live bait. Let's see how it goes, right? All right, let's get some fish. No, that's it. What the? Oh man, it's like craziest. Getting all these red breasts. A long ear. Wow, this guy hit it from nowhere. Alright, see ya. You get at least some foul. Let's see. Here we go. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh my God, that's a good one. That's a good one. Holy shoot! Yes! Yes! Oh! That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh man, that's a giant, guys. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't. I'm lost for speed. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. This guy is a giant. Look at the belly on this guy. Ooh. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, this guy's a giant. Oh, my fingers are hurting. Oh my goodness, let me take a picture first. Oh. Whoa. I know the picture doesn't do it justice, but trust me, this guy is good. I think it's well, okay. Look, I know you guys catch a lot bigger fish, but for me, this is like, holy cow kind of cow. Woo! Yeah. Let's see, let's do some weight and things like that for him. 1.51. 1.5. Woo! Nice. Let me turn around, release this guy. Ooh, that's a giant. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, beautiful. All right. Get out of the water long enough, buddy. All right. There he goes. He's gone. He's gone slow. Yes. Oh, yes. Woo. That's all I gotta say. Love it. Oh, here we go. What in the world just happened? Oh my goodness. Snagged a nice little bass, but I don't know. Oh, it's not good. It's pouring, but hey, there's gotta be fish in there. Let's do this, guys. All right. Rain is really coming down now. Man, it's tough, tough. Oh my goodness. I'm soaked. This is it, man. That's it. I gotta run. I got like a whole freaking mile to get to the car. And thanks for joining me, guys. See you next part adventure. Peace out.